The morning report for the 10th of June 2010. The US markets dipped a little bit overnight. Dow Jones down 0.4, S&P 500 down 0.6 and Nasdaq down 0.5. What is still of a little bit of concern is that the Dow Jones still sitting below their elusive 10,000 point mark, sitting at 9,899 points. The FTSE, however, had a good night, up 1% to close at 5,086 points. Our market stayed steady over yesterday, closing about where it opened. We closed at 4,385 points, and I expect to see the same today. With no real lead out from the US, we might see some late news coming through in the marketplace, which may move the market. Otherwise, we'll certainly see the market stay pretty flat today, closing around the 4,390 mark. The gold price was down 1.3% overnight to close at $1,229 an ounce. Oil gained 3.3% to close at 74.4 US dollars. And the Aussie dollar is still sitting around just below 83 US cents. We expect it'll stay there for quite some time. What is probably interesting in the Aussie market right now is the interest around the super tax and how that's going to affect, one, the next election coming through, and two, whether the economy can get kick-started again. Now, I did read yesterday that Kevin Rudd is starting to talk to the rest of his caucus, and certainly this is probably a positive step in the way of improving negotiations on the super tax with the mining companies. Clearly, if the Rudd government goes to the elections and the current policy, they will most likely lose. So I suspect the Rudd government is just about to start negotiating with the mining companies. This could be a good short-term play on the mining sector if you've got the risk profile for it, but certainly I think if they can sort this out prior to the election, get rid of the sovereign risk out of Australia and get our market back on track, it's probably a good way for us to move forward. We still think the market will get close to 4,700 in the short term, though we are expecting dips in the medium term, but long term, the fair price of the market is still 5,200, so go out there buying the dividends and hold for the long-term growth. For more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.